Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Afghan Cookbook. Today we're going to be making amazing and delicious spring rolls. Now you're going to take a pot and you're going to be adding meat, onions, garlic, and a few chilies. Now on top of all of this, we're going to be adding hot boiling water so we can let it pressure cook for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to be chopping some vegetables. Here I'm using bell peppers, onions, and carrots. This recipe is pretty flexible and you can add any vegetables of your choice, but this is what I'm going to be adding. Chop, chop, chop! Make sure you finely chop the vegetables. It needs to be perfectly cutted like a dice. Now we're going to take a carrot and make sure you drink lots of water on top of it because you could get tummy aches after eating it. Jokes apart, we're going to be shredding the carrot in a shredder. Voila, just like that. Make sure you don't cry while chopping your onions. We're going to be using one medium-sized onion. Chop, chop, chop! Ta-da! All the vegetables are ready to go. Now we're going to take some garlic cloves and we're going to be putting it in the mincer so we can mince them. Mince, mince, mince. Now take a lot of chilies in my opinion, but it's your choice however much chilies you want if you don't like spicy foods. And now take half of a bunch of cilantros and chop them evenly. Now that the meat is done and tender, we're going to be pulling it apart just like this. And I'm wearing gloves because I don't like to touch meat. Now shred the meat. Now we're going to take the shredded meat and put it in a pan and we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of oil. Make sure to not put a lot of oil or you can get cholesterol. Add your chopped chili garlic that you have minced. Make sure that you get the little bits out. Now combine and mix them all together. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, some black pepper for taste. Now also add some salt, but don't add a lot of salt because you could get high blood pressure. No. Now add haldi. Add lots of red chili because in my opinion it's really good, but you don't want to get sore throat or running to the toilet a lot. Now mix everything and cook on stove for a few minutes. Now add your sabzijat and tarkari that you have chopped earlier. Mix well. Make sure to add your cilantros last. Get permission from the chicken and allow it to cool down. I'm going to be using egg roll wrappers for the janman rolls. Make sure to wet the ends of the wrapper down so it can close perfectly when you make the janman roll. You can either use plain water or flour glue. I'm using plain water here. Now take some of the meat that we made earlier and place it in the middle of the wrapper. Finally, connect the ends of the wrapper together. Now wrap the bottom layer over the one we just connected. And roll. Perfect! Keep repeating the same steps with all of the other wrappers. As you can see, we made so much janman rolls here because it's just so tasty. Next, you're going to take any pot you have and heat some oil. Now start frying the rolls. Remember, use less oil. If you don't want to use oil, you can even do this in an air fryer to make it more healthier. Fry each side until it gets golden brown. Perfect. And finally, we are done with our delicious janman rolls. If you want to make it more tastier and flavorful, you can make homemade chutney. If you want the video how to make chutney, comment down below and we'll make a video for you. Here are our crispy and golden brown janman rolls, and these taste so good that you must try. So tasty. Thank you for watching. Bye.